Hello everyone, my name is Hana Sharma and I am back with a new topic, if LF else condition. So first let's give the heading LF else. Okay, heading, okay, and then run. So LF is the combination of if and else to make it shorter, not make it lengthier. So this will save me from writing if then else again and again. So let's do a question today. So it's accept accept the city and print its monument. Mint. Okay. Now we are having our first city as Delhi. Delhi. In Delhi we have Red Fort. In Agra, Agra, Agra is Taj Mahal. Mahal. Hell, then we have our Jaipur with Charminar, and the last one we can take Odisha with our Konark temple. Okay, so this is our question. And if the user prints any other city, so other, we have to print no record, no record found. Okay, so this is our question. So let me just select it as this. Okay. Okay. Now let's make the code for this. So then we'll make a variable a and take the input from the user. So uh, enter the city. Okay. Okay. So if a is equal to Delhi, print Red Fort. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this, copy, and then enter, paste. LF A is double equal to, maybe it's Agra. So print it's Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal. Okay, and now then again we have to write the LF. So if I have not used the elif, I have to write else, then again if, then else, then if, then else, then if. So elif makes the work easy. And over here, maybe Jaipur and can use here Char Minar. Nar. Okay. Then we have, oh, sorry, elif, paste. Elif A is double equal to Odisha, maybe. Odisha, Odisha, print, what? Kunak temple. Kunak uh, temple. Okay. Then we have to make the code for others. Okay. So else. It's if, elif, else. So if the user enters any other city not from Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, and Odisha, so else print, what we have to print? No record found. No record found. Now if we run this code and if we enter Delhi, or maybe Jaipur, so we have got the answer as Charminar. Okay, this is how it works. And if I just copy this code and run it again, and if I enter another city like Lucknow, okay, so it's written no record found. Okay, so this is how the code works, and this is how we use the if elif else condition. Thank you. Let me bring new topics for you.